less dense than air, which means sound waves travel through it much faster, which makes my voice sound much higher. Now,
and my voice gets really low, although somehow I'm still funny. It's scientific!